Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to check your transactions in PayPal application. If you want to see your transaction history on PayPal so that you can see your payments you sent or received, check details, download statements and more, here's how you can do it. First of all, open the PayPal application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page of PayPal, go ahead and click on the Wallet button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up the Wallets tab, go to Activity at the top left, and then all of your payment and purchases will be seen on this page. I don't have any purchases made yet from my PayPal account, so it is showing me something this blank. But if you have recent transactions, it'll be listed on this Activity tab. So that's how you can easily check your transactions in PayPal application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.